So before Citywide, I spent 20 plus years on Wall Street. I worked with S&P Global for the last 20 years. I headed up our global structured finance ratings group, and I left S&P in April of this year. Took some time off and got acquainted with a franchise broker. Looked at a lot of options, and Citywide kind of stood out as the best option for me. This process has really been a great one. Compared to some of the other franchises that I looked at, it was hands down the best in terms of franchisee network support, home office support. The training was by far some of the best training that I've seen in the corporate world as well, and just the constant support from both the home office and the franchisees in the area was very encouraging to me. Very much like a family. So I think for people who are looking to start their own business, they have to really know what their priorities are, and they have to be willing to take the risk, and you have to do your homework, your due diligence, make sure that you're moving in the right direction. Not that many people will make the leap, but it takes courage, and if you do, it's a great experience.